Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Facebook account if you have forgotten your password. Do watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to successfully recover your account. If you want to log into your account, you should know what is your phone number or email related to your Facebook account. Enter your email or phone number. To enter the password you have already forgotten, click to Forgot Password below Login. Now you have to enter your email or phone number related to your account. After you have entered your Facebook, email or phone number, click Search. Now Facebook will send a recover code to your Gmail account or your phone number. Open your Gmail in Next tab. Right here there is Facebook reset password. Copy the thing and paste it to the Facebook. Click continue. Facebook will allow you to enter new password. Enter your new password and you're done. Click continue. And now you have recovered your Facebook with new password. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share and leave a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notified when we post another new videos for you.